Welcome back to Drift into Stillness. My name is James Rivers. Before we begin our journey tonight, if you find comfort in these escapes, please let me know in the comments and follow this channel, Drift into Stillness. Your support keeps this quiet light burning. Tonight, we are traveling to a place where the world simply cannot reach you. A place of absolute, impenetrable isolation. We are going to the very edge of the ocean. Imagine that you are standing on a rugged, rocky island. It is deep in the night. The sky above is a vast canvas of dark gray clouds, moving swiftly over the open water. The air is incredibly cool and carries the sharp, clean, purifying scent of ancient salt and cold sea spray. All around you, the dark, heavy water of the ocean is endlessly moving, endlessly rising and falling against the jagged, ancient rocks of the shoreline. It is a wild, untamed landscape. But you are not exposed to it. You are standing at the base of a massive, towering lighthouse. Place your bare hand flat against the curved outer wall. Feel the thick, cold, painted stone. This tower was built over a century ago, designed to withstand the most furious storms nature could ever create. It is deeply rooted into the solid bedrock of the earth. It does not sway. It does not yield. It simply stands. You reach out, grip the heavy iron handle, and pull open the thick steel door at the base. You step inside, out of the wind. As you pull the door closed behind you, it seals with a heavy, satisfying clunk. Instantly, the roar of the ocean is transformed. It is muted, pushed far away, becoming a deep, low-frequency rumble that vibrates through the floor. You are now in the keeper's quarters, a beautifully curved room at the very heart of the stone tower. The room is incredibly warm. In the center of the curve, a small, black cast iron stove is burning brightly. It radiates a deep, dry heat that immediately begins to thaw any lingering chill in your bones. The air in here smells of dry firewood, polished brass, and the faint, comforting scent of old paper. Curved wooden shelves line the thick stone walls, filled with old, leather-bound books and neatly rolled nautical charts. and built directly into the curve of the wall, like a small cave of comfort, is a deep alcove bed. It looks like the perfect cocoon, lined with deep blue velvet and piled high with thick, heavy woolen blankets. You take off your boots, leaving them by the warm stove. You step up into the alcove and lie down. As you pull the heavy, weighted blankets up over your chest, listen to the unique sounds of this sanctuary. Far above you, at the very top of the tower, you can hear the slow, mechanical turning of the great glass lens. A low, rhythmic, hypnotic hum. Whir, click, whir, click. Every few seconds, a massive beam of golden light sweeps out across the dark ocean. Even with your eyes closed, you can sense the gentle shift of light in the room. You don't need to see it to feel its rhythm. It is a steady, reassuring pulse. It tells the world outside, stay away. This space is safe. This space is fiercely protected. Let that heavy, profound isolation wash over your entire body. You are surrounded by miles and miles of deep, dark, impassable water. No one can knock on your door tonight. No one can ask anything of you. There are no choices to make, no problems to solve. You are the watcher in the night. But tonight, your only duty, your only purpose is to rest. Bring your gentle attention all the way down to your feet. Let them sink heavily into the plush mattress. Imagine the dry, comforting warmth of the cast iron stove wrapping around your toes, softening your arches and soothing your heels. Let that heavy warmth travel slowly up into your calves and into your knees. These joints have carried the weight of your daily life for so long. They have walked thousands of miles. Give them permission right now to completely shut down. Feel the tension inside the bone and muscle simply melting away, leaving behind nothing but heavy, warm sand. Let the soothing heaviness rise into your upper legs, your hips, and your lower back. Feel your spine lengthening, aligning with the solid, perfectly straight posture of the lighthouse tower above you. You do not need to hold yourself up. The stone is holding you. You are safe inside the stone. Let your shoulders drop deeply into the pillow. Drop them an inch further. Let the heavy woolen blankets press gently against your chest, grounding your heartbeat. Unclench your hands. Let your fingers naturally uncurl and rest openly by your sides. There is nothing to hold on to here. Release the tension in the back of your neck, your jaw, your forehead. Let your face become completely smooth, completely relaxed. Now, listen to the muffled, rhythmic crashing of the waves against the base of the tower. Crash, retreat. Crash, retreat. Every single wave that breaks against the ancient stone takes a piece of your daily anxiety with it. Imagine your worries, your stress, the endless lists in your mind, flowing down through the stone and into the water, washing back out to sea with the retreating tide. The ocean is vast enough to absorb all of your burdens. Let it take them. It can carry them easily. With every slow breath you take, you are sinking deeper into the curve of the wall, wrapped in wool, wrapped in stone, wrapped in the endless sound of the sea. I will count down from 10. With every number, the great golden light sweeps across the dark ocean, and you fall twice as deep into sleep. 10. Safe in the heart of the tower. 9. Sinking into the deep blue velvet. 8. The heavy, ancient rhythm of the sea. 7. Your body is completely weightless, yet perfectly grounded. 6. The gentle warmth of the stove on your skin. 5. Completely, beautifully disconnected from the outside world. 4. The steady hum of the lens above you. 3. Drifting freely, letting go of all remaining thought. 2. Deeply, perfectly, profoundly relaxed. 1. Deep sleep. Let the ocean hold you. Sleep. Good night.